Hello, everybody. Today is Animal Day, and I'm going to bring you guys a bit of a something different today. First, I'm going to get I'll see the ones that are closer to the one that's closer to me, and since it's Animal Day, I'm going to show um, Princess Prancy. That's what I call her, and she has a top with a dog on it. And I think I could hear a dog barking. There you go, yeah. Here's the dog barking. And then, let's see what else is on today. Where's that? Got the little doggy. And then, we have a butterfly. But a butterfly doesn't make sounds. But there's other things that fly that make sounds. Like this. And I also see little frogs. There's little frogs right here on Merida. So let's hear frogs. And those were the frogs. Let's see what else we have. Let's see what else we have. We have Yuri, and she has a bear on her. And we have Malachi, who also has a bear on him. So I'm wondering what's going to happen next. We hear bear. Yeah, this is his top. This is what he's wearing today. His hair is a bit of a mess today, too. And then there's her little bear in an umbrella. So this is what I have for Animal Wednesday. Sorry, my head was thinking here for a minute. One more thing I'm going to want to do, and you can give me 1 second. I'm going to do something. Today, since it's Animal Wednesday, for today I want to do something a bit different. So I'll be back in a minute. Anything else? Just a minute. I'll be there in a minute. coming back. Yesterday, I wanted to read a story yesterday, but I didn't have the chance. I had other things I had to deal with. My friend, like for Thoughtful Thursday for tomorrow, yeah, I had to help my friend with some things. Okay, so I'm going to read, and has a bunny. Perfect for today. I love you, little one. And that's what I'm going to read. I read it before. It's been a while. I love you, little one. So it's from Nancy Tafuri. That wrote it, I think. For Christmas. Sorry. That's not okay. Never mind. This is perfect for today, too. Deep in the woods by the sandy riverbank, a little deer asked, "Do you love me, Mama?" It's a bit broken. It's an old book, but here. And Mama Deer says, "Yes, little one, I love you as the river loves you, full and singing before you, giving you cool water to drink. I love you as the river loves you, forever and ever and always." There's the Mama Deer with her baby. I thought that would be perfect for today because there's animals in this book. Next page. Deep in the woods by the mossy pond edge, a little duck asked, "Do you love me, Mama?" Okay, I guess you could see everything. And Mama Duck said, "Yes, little one, I love you as the pond loves you, wide and calm beneath you, giving you food and places to swim. I love you as the pond loves you, forever and ever and always." Here, got Mother Duck and her baby duck. Deep in the woods, in the dirt dug burrow, a little rabbit asked, "Do you love me, Mama?" And Mama Rabbit says, "Yes, little one, I love you as the earth loves you, cozy and snug around you, giving you a warm place to sleep. I love you as the earth loves you, forever and ever and always." This is a beautiful page. Mother and her baby. Yeah, beautiful page. Sorry, I got a page up. That page up keeps coming out. Okay. Next page. Deep in the woods in a grassy meadow, a little mouse asked, "Do you love me, Mama?" And Mama Mouse says, "Yes, little one, I love you as the wild rye loves you, gently swaying above you, giving you food and cover for harm. I love you as the wild rye loves you, forever and ever and always." A little ladybug on there, on the grass. And there's Mommy Mouse and her baby mouse. Deep in the woods, in a dark mountain cave, a little bear asked, "Do you love me, Mama?" Just like I made two little bears today. And Mama Bear says, "Yes, little one, I love you as the mountain loves you, sturdy and safe around you, giving you shelter from snow and rain. I love you as the mountain loves you, forever and ever and always." I think there's a little ant right there. Or something. No, it's a lizard. It's a lizard. Deep in the woods, in a oak tree hollow, a little owl asked, "Do you love me, Mama?" Ooh, I love owls. And it's a beautiful picture of owls. One owl here. And Mama Owl says, "Yes, little one, I love you as the oak tree loves you, tall and strong beside you, giving you the world to see all around. I love you as the oak tree loves you, forever and ever and always." And here's Mama Owl with her baby owl, which is so cute. Deep in the woods, in a log-built house, a little child asked, "Do you love me, Mama?" And Mama says, "Yes, little one, I love you as the stars love you, constant and bright above you, giving you joy and peace and wonder. I love you as the stars love you, forever and ever and always." And it's the end. In the end, there's this page with the owl flying. Yeah, that's a story I read before a while back, but I love it. So this one here, I just want to see. No, I won't do this one. All right, so that's it for today. I hope you like my like what I did in my video today, which is very different. And I'll talk to you later. Okay? Thanks for watching. Bye.